So, hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mark Anderson with Emmy Consulting Services, and I wanted to create this quick video to show you guys how you can start using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI tool that you use to be able to help out improve and remove the duplicate content from your website. So, what is basically duplicate content? It's just a mention of, say, you have two websites. They have content that is mentioned on both the pages. That ends up creating a concept called keyword cannibalization, where you have two pages that try to rank for the same keyword. That's going to confuse the bot. That can end up leading to just decreased rankings for both pages. That's a no-no, especially for your client sites. So what SiteGround does a great job of is letting you know, like, hey, these are your pages. These are the amount of pages you have duplicate content of. So what you do is you click on the section that's called duplicate content. You scroll down here, and you just find a page that you want to work on, that you want to remove or minimize the duplicate content score. Now, the page that I'm using right here doesn't have a high amount of duplicate content, but I will use this as an example. So you're going to copy this. You can use this prompt. What changes would you make to this page? Drop the duplicate content score, get it listed in the AI overview for the Google search for the keyword using local SEO. I already put this in so you guys can see this. And so this already gives you an overview and understanding of what you want to add to the page, fix duplicate content issues, rewrite generic sections. Eat, you guys may have heard of this before, allows you to give it authority, improve readability structure, etc., etc. So you keep scrolling all the way down here. Would you let me draft or revive versions of these pages with these changes? I'm going to put yes. Now, not every last one of these I'm going to add to the site, but what it does is that it gives me an understanding of how we can improve the quality of this page to not only make it better for the user, but also make it better for the algorithm too as well. Even added schema in there, which is great too as well. I can add this to the back end of the site. FAQ, it also lets us know the exact FAQ that we want to be able to add to this page. Perfect. And then I can also have it in there where I can pretty much ask it is like, hey, what headers would be best to improve the blog article and help it show up in AI overview for Google? And as you're seeing, all this information is great because I just need to go in there and swap it out to my page. Obviously, there's other stuff that I will need to be able to add, which is very, very important. But what this is going to do is that it's going to minimize my duplicate content score. It's going to increase my readability score too as well. I can add in things like schema into my website in order to make it easier for the bot to understand what the page is when they pretty much do run page view page source and see the code that's basically on the back end of the site. But all this does is it makes it a whole lot easier for me to be able to improve it. So it's better for the user, it's better for the bot, and overall it's going to be better for my website going forward. So this is a quick video showing you guys how to use DeepSeek in order to improve your websites. You can minimize your duplicate content score. If you don't have the time to do this, feel free to reach out to me in my agency. We definitely do this for our client sites. We can help you do the same thing. This will be Mark Anderson at MA Consulting Services. Thank you once again for your time. Have a great rest of your day.